into electrical contracting. We provide energy and communication to the building premises. We handle the most flexible form of energy which can be easily converted into heat, light, motion, etc. And we handle it smartly. Imagine this room without electricity. You can understand what we do. हम पिछले 19 सालों से सभी सेक्टर में इलेक्ट्रिकल कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग का काम करते आ रहे हैं, चाहे वो कमर्शियल सेक्टर हो, चाहे इंडस्ट्रियल सेक्टर हो, चाहे रेसिडेंशियल सेक्टर हो. We have a team of 4 site engineers which are technically trained and qualified, 8 numbers electrician and 12 trained helper. When needed, we can arrange extra labor on site without loss of time. For us, labor problem is no problem. Our scope of work starts from internal wiring, which include wiring for light point, fan point, power point, AC points and fixtures of the same. Then we also do LV wiring, which include wiring and conduiting for telephone, data, voice, CCTV, etc. We also deal in LT cabling work, earthing and LT panel installation work only. Why us? Big question. Timely delivery of project. We are 100% committed to timely delivery of our project. In fact, this is one of the most core value of our company. Wiring guarantee. We stand a guarantee of 12 months on all our installation, whether small or big. Extraordinary switch gear. Switch gear इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्टॉलेशन का वो पार्ट होता है जो करंट फॉल्ट आने पे करंट को बंद या ट्रिप कर देता है. यदि हम सस्ता स्विच गियर यूज करते हैं तो क्लाइंट को शॉक लग सकता है और प्रीमिसेस में फायर भी लग सकती है. इसलिए हम कभी भी सस्ता स्विच गियर यूज करते नहीं. आफ्टर प्रोजेक्ट सर्विस, व्हेन वी हैंड ओवर प्रोजेक्ट टू आवर क्लाइंट, वी एक्सप्लेन हिज मेंटेनेंस टीम about the circuit diagram and how we executed the work, and if required we provide on-site support to them. This is my commercial project done in HDFC Chandigarh by Mr. Parag. I request Mr. Parag sir to share his view about my project.
I think this project was executed about 5 years ago.
Yes.
Yeah. And till date, I haven't had a single complaint from the client.
This is my industrial project done in Gurgaon, again with Parag sir, and we have a 20 meter by 40 meter wide factory just in 6 months. This is my recent residential work done with Design Equine Architect in Sarita Vihar. I have also provided my services to some BNL member, Gaurav Malik ji, Guru Shukla ji, Parag Varekar ji, Shankar Dey ji, and of course I have done electrical work of BNI head office also. I request Mr. Guru Shukla to share his view about my team.
I would just like to add there are basically 3 components that Neeraj's company is excellent in providing. One is time-bound delivery, and second is his supervision, and the third is of course a 360-degree solution. In terms of, he's not just an electrical contractor; he also takes care of all the other components related to your wiring, which is whether it is a land wiring or whether you have a CCTV camera which you need to put up. So he basically provisions for everything, and he also is closely in coordination with the architect. He delivers what is actually required by the architect. So hats off to him, and he has done my office, which all of you can probably visit and see after 1 week. And thank you, Neeraj, for
I also request Shaliman Agarwal ji.
Friends, Dheeraj Arora saved my personal 10-12 lakh rupees and a factory worth 10 crore rupees in Udyog Vihar. Last year we rented a property in Udyog Vihar where I used to have very frequent spikes on my machines, on my ACs, my hardware and the machines also. I had taken consultancy from few more people, those who suggested me to invest another lakh rupee in the servos and stabilizers. Mr. Dheeraj Arora came as a good doctor. He just had spent my 12,000 rupees. He divided the phases accordingly, and my money is saved, and I really rely on him for my electrical needs in future. Thank you.
I Discover Education, Adit Bidwell, Mac Creation, Architect Dipender Prasad, ITM Wholesale, Straight Lines Interiors, Kothari and Associates. Whom you can refer us? Very simple. आप हमें आर्किटेक्ट्स और इंटीरियर डिजाइनर से कनेक्ट करा सकते हैं जो कांस्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ बिजनेस है हमारे लिए। डायरेक्ट क्लाइंट से कनेक्ट करा सकते हैं जिनके यहाँ कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है या होने वाली है। एचआर और एडमिन से कनेक्ट करा सकते हैं जिनके ऑफिस बन रहे हैं या बनने वाले हैं या शिफ्ट होने वाले हैं। आइडियल रेफरल फॉर अस इस प्रोजेक्ट मोर देन वैल्यू ऑफ 2 करोड़, और जब आइडियल रेफरल हमें मिल जाएगा तब साक्षी जी पार्टी देगी।